Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can zoom in and zoom out in Notion, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, Notion is a very useful application, service, call it what you will, in which you can do a lot of things regarding making your own personal files and any templates you might want to use, such as documents, journals, to-do lists, calendars, etc., etc. If you haven't tried it yet, I would wholeheartedly recommend that you do, but without further ado, let's get right into the topic of this video. So, I am currently using the standalone PC version. You can download this and run it off your desktop. However, you can also do it through your browser. For the browser, I think it is pretty much as simple as just zooming in your browser page. You should know how to do this already. However, in the PC standalone version, it is a bit different. And let me show you how it's done. As you can see, I have a test document open. I just brought in some or written down some gibberish, just some placeholder text for this tutorial. And let's say I want to zoom into it. Let's say, I don't know, that this piece of text here is very small for me, or I have bad eyesight and I cannot actually see it. And what you want to do to actually zoom in is just to hold control. Just hold down control and just keep clicking the plus until you're zoomed into your size of wish. Now, if you want to zoom out, the process is the same, except instead of clicking plus, you want to click minus, however many times you would like, until you get your the zoom in level that you wish. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.